Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed, lift it, and clear any fuel or brake lines from the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory mount where it is welded to the frame. Grind the work area clean. If needed, install a frame repair kit and apply weld-through primer. Step 4. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount to the frame, then tack weld the frame reinforcement in place. Once tack welded, weld all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall any removed components.